Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add music to Spotify on PC. And here's how it's done. First, launch the Spotify application on your computer. Then click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Scroll down in the Settings menu until you find the option labeled Your Library and Show Local Files. Toggle this option on to enable it. Once enabled, you'll see a section that specifies where Spotify is sourcing local music files from, such as the Downloads folder and the Music Library by default. If your music is stored in a different location, click Add a Source and browse for the folder where your songs are saved. For example, you can select your desktop or any other folder. After selecting the folder, hit OK and Spotify will scan for music in all the chosen locations. To access your imported songs, navigate to the left-hand menu, click Expand Your Library, and then select Local Files. Here, you will see all the songs that have been added from your computer to Spotify. You can now play the song directly from your Spotify library. If you want to keep your local files organized, click Add to Playlist and choose the playlist where you want to save the song. And that's everything you need to know about how to add music to Spotify on PC. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.